Good afternoon. Welcome to Daily Currency Update from the Currency Desk. On Tuesday, we saw the US dollar strengthen against the Indian rupee. This was mainly on the back of strong demand for US dollars from the oil importers. Usually during the month end, we see a spurge in demand of dollars from the oil importers, and similar scenario has been witnessed this time as well. So again in the next 1 or 2 days, we could see strong buying of dollars from the importers. Also, there are rumors of defense related payments being one of the factors that have forced strong dollar buying at current levels. We saw that the strong equity markets also could not support the Indian rupee. Currently in the morning session, again we have seen the Indian rupee open weaker as compared to the US dollar. We could see this weakness in the US dollar, in the Indian rupee continue up till 56.50 levels in the near term. It is to be watched whether if RBI would put in any intervention into the markets and ensure that the dollar remains below 56 levels. Earlier there have been rumors that RBI would try to restrict the US dollar versus Indian rupee rate to below 56 levels, but currently it is strongly sustaining at around 56.20 levels in the spot markets. In the near term, we expect it to rally up till 56.60 levels, which is a strong resistance for the US dollar. Coming to euro, we saw the euro strengthen moderately against the US dollar yesterday, but as in the evening session, we had better than expected US home price data and consumer confidence index from the US, which came in better than expected. Based on this data, we saw the US dollar strengthen against the euro, and the same impact was seen in the euro against the Indian rupee. Today, though the lower side of the euro INR is capped because of the strong US dollar rate, but still we are seeing comparatively lackluster performance of the euro against the Indian rupee as compared to the US dollar. Currently, the data to be watched for the day is German consumer price inflation data, German unemployment data, and along with this, there is also Spanish 10-year bond auctions, which could have an impact on the intraday movement for the euro. Overall, we expect it to trade in the range of 71.91 to 72.44 intraday. Coming to pound, the pound rose against the Indian rupee yesterday. This was mainly on the back of a weaker Indian rupee as compared to any other strength in the international markets for the pound. Yes, after the US consumer confidence data, like euro, we saw the pound also follow the same path, that is, it went down against the USD. Similar downside trend was seen against the Indian rupee as well, but as the US dollar is strong against the Indian rupee, we could see the pound downside being capped against the Indian rupee. Overall, there is no major data for the UK. We could see the pound track the euro intraday. Coming to yen, the Japanese yen fell against the US dollar again yesterday as we had a stronger data from the US front. Moreover, we saw the Nikkei stabilize today in the morning session, and based on this again we saw slight downside in the Japanese yen. The yen has strengthened again against the US dollar in the morning session after the retail sales data, which was slightly better than expected. Again, we are expecting that the Japanese yen could strengthen further against the US dollar and against the Indian rupee as well. Currently, we are expecting levels of around 100 for the USD JPY rate, and about the USD INR, we could see levels up till 56. Another factor to watch out for the same would be the Nikkei. If it stabilizes and increases from here on, the same trend could also take a reversal. Thank you.